Today I'm going to show you how to replace your mass airflow sensor on the 2017 to 2024 Toyota Camry. Our first step is to remove the connector. You have this little tab that you push down on to release the lock, and then you'll pull your connector straight back. Next, we need to remove these two Phillips screws holding the mass airflow sensor in place. And now you can grab your mass airflow and pull it straight up. Now you can reinstall your new mass airflow sensor. The screw holes will only line up one way, plus they have this arrow pointing toward the engine, indicating the airflow direction. So now we can reinstall our two Phillips screws. And yes, this is the original mass airflow sensor. I'm just taking this video to help others out. And if you need other videos on the Toyota Camry or any other vehicle, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I have plenty of videos on my channel. And we'll just snug these two screws down. Now you can grab your connector, line it up, and push it in. You should hear it lock. Just double check it. And that finishes this video up on how to replace your mass airflow sensor. If this video helped you out, if you could give it a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button.